20 Minutes Setswana presents Hello Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Dijo.
Oh, today we're talking about food. Let's learn some new words. Can you teach us the word for milk in Sesotho?
Lebese.
And water?
Metsi.
And what about bread?
Bohobe.
Abuti, what is the word for fruits in Sesotho?
Ditolwana.
And vegetables?
Mehoho.
That seems easy. Now let's see what you can remember. The word for milk in Sesotho is lebese. And the word for water is metsi. The word for bread in Sesotho is bohobe. And the word for fruits in Sesotho is ditolwana. And the word for vegetables in Sesotho is meroho. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye Abuti, goodbye kids. See you next time.
Okay, bye.